Assalamu alaikum student. Today we discuss the topic of yarn, fabric and finishing. This is very important after you have knowledge about natural fabric, synthetic fabric. After that we discuss yarn and then we discuss fabric and then we also discuss the finishing. What is meant by finishing? First of all, a precisely definition of textile pertaining of weaving or to weave the fabric as textile art woven capable to being woven and formed by weaving as a textile fabric. Descriptive of textile as defined of the raw material, process, machinery, building, craft, technology, personal use in and the organizations and activity connected with their manufacturing. A Latin word organized from texture, it means to weave. Any cloth or fabric is made by weaving and knitting. In next slide, yarn. Everyday life, we see the thing made from textile yarn. Think about your shirt you wear and the carpets you walk. Have you ever thought about how that yarn are made? In textile, yarn is a strand of natural synthetic fiber or filament. A fiber is a smallest piece of the hair. A filament is a long strand, single substances. In textile yarn, individual fiber or filament yarn are bounded together to make thread. A fine and continuous length of the fiber or filament with or without twist. Spinning is applied to fabric to add twist. This is a very important thing. अगर कोई MCQs क्वेश्चन आते हैं तो ये इस स्लाइड में एक वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है कि व्हाट इज मेंट बाय स्पिनिंग एंड हाउ वी ऐड what process we use to add twist in the fiber. Then you should answer spinning. Textile yarn can be made with natural fiber from substances wool, from sheep, from silkworm to cotton and linen. It can also be made synthetic man-made fiber created from a variety of substances like nylon, acrylic and polyester. Spinning. The process of making yarn is called spinning. Yarn can be spun by machine or by hand. Yarn used to weaving tend to have a tight weave, smooth surface and lot of lengthwise strength. Yarn for knitting has looser twist. Question: how is differentiate yarn with weaving and knitting? Classifications of the yarn. Textile yarn. All textile yarn are classified according to structure and how they are made. In journal, there are 3 basic classifications. Let's look at each of them. Stable yarn and filament yarn. Differentiate between the yarn and thread. Yarn is a product that used to make fabric and the thread is a product used to sew and join the piece of the garment together. Method of fabric construction. When you see the cloth, you wear cloth, you use the curtain, bed sheet and have you noticed something different in them? Some fabric are thick and other are thin. Some are plain, some are different designing. These difference in fabric because of their construction. As a younger designer, you need to have aware something about what is weaving, what is knitting and other. Fabric construction. Fabric can be constructed using different methods. They are produced by interlacing, interlooping and bonded fiber. Felted made by the interlocking of the fiber. Basically knitting, weaving and non-woven fiber. In weaving, the fabric are made with yarn by weaving them in different combination. It is mostly done by interlacing 2 sets of yarn or thread made of the filled fiber called wrap or weft loop. It only stretch सारी फाइल ही चेंज हो गई है. अब इसको फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं, फिर हम दोबारा से इसको स्टार्ट करेंगे. चलिए, ये हमें मिल गई है. और हम अभी वीविंग पर आए हैं। ये हमारी प्रोसेस हो रही है, ये हमारी प्रोसेस हो रही है। The fabric are made of the yarn by weaving them in different combination. It mostly done by interlacing of two set of yarn. First of all are weft yarn or wrap yarn in different loom, and it is only stretched in the bisection between the wrap and weft direction unless it's thread or elastic. Question हम आपको देते हैं, which method of the yarn arrangement is used in the weaving? In next slide, lengthwise stronger vertical yarn which more twists are wrap yarn or picks, while the widthwise filling yarn are termed as a weft and end. Sidewise edge of the fabric is termed as a selvage. अब नीचे आ जाइए तो देखते हैं कि wrap और picks yarn are lengthwise, weft और filling yarn are widthwise. In knitting is a process of construction of the fabric by interlocking loop of the yarn by means of hook needles. Knitted fabric it consists of horizontal rows known as the cords and vertical column loops known as a veil. मतलब इसमें उसमें knitted में weaving में wrap और weft है और knitting में veils और cords और veils हैं. Knitted fabric are porous and having insulating air pockets and having warmer when they're worn. Knitted fabric are very absorbent, wrinkle resistant, light weighted. They are shrink more fiber, shrink proofing. अब नेक्स्ट हमारी स्लाइड आ रही है, आप इसको देखिएगा. ये वेल वाइज है और ये कोर्स वाइज है जिसे रैप निट कहते हैं और ये वेफ्ट निट है. अब नेक्स्ट हम देखेंगे फॉर एग्जाम्पल क्वेश्चन है, विच मेथड ऑफ फैब्रिक कंस्ट्रक्शन यूज इंटरलॉकिंग ऑफ लूप्स? देन यू से knitting. Right answer is knitting with the single yarn. But in the weaving, two yarns are used, weft yarn, wrap yarn. But in the knitting, single yarns are used. Knitting process, in knitting garment, you will see the following cords. There are series of the successive loops laying the crosswise direction and the veil. These are the lengthwise and vertical loops. Non-woven process. Non-woven is a definitely there कोई इसमें thread वगैरह यूज़ नहीं है. Thread placement and two types of methods are used by heat or by felting or by burning only. Burning fabric are made with web of synthetic fiber bonded together with heat and adhesive. Wool felting are made from the wool fiber matted together using moisture, heat and pressure. You should be knowledgeable and you should be key point. Three things are used in the felting: using moisture, heat and pressure. They have no grain line, for example Hatton grain. Non-woven for medical use. This is very common for today life. Textile finishing is a process. This is a last finishing. This is a last process which is done in the textile industry. Textile finishing is a process which is performed by the mechanical and chemical treatment of textile fabric to eliminate the undesired properties of the fabric and to add the value added effect. Type of finishing process: mechanical and chemical. Mechanical finishing and physical finishing involves specific physical treatment of a fabric surface to cause a change in the fabric appearance and also known as a dry finish, calendering and polishing. No chemical use in this type of finishing, only physical treatment are used. But in the chemical finishing, chemical are used curing, drying and known as a wet finishing. Finishing is a process to convert the woven and knitting cloth to usable material, and more specifically to any process performing after dyeing of the yarn or fabric. To improve the look, appearance, hand feel to of the textile cloth. Purpose of finishing to improve the luster, to increase resistance, waterproofing, soil resistant, moth proofing, flame proof resistance. What is meant by blend? A term applied to the yarn and the fabric that is made up of more than one fiber in the blended more than two different of fiber. For example, when you say about what is PC, PC is a cotton and polyester fiber. This is a blend of natural man-made fiber and this is very popular blended fiber. This is a schematic diagram of the two types of the yarn are used to make the PC blender. Wire blends are created fiber, yarn, fabric with more beneficial set of performance characteristics. An improvement of the quality fabric and meeting the specific and use requirements such as performance, comfort, ease of the care and would not otherwise be available in the single fiber. A better texture, hand appearance, and such as additional for the color, luster, productivity of the fancy effect of the yarn added to the value of the statics of the yarn of the fabric. Next, grain. What is meant by grain? Refer to the way of the thread are arranged in the piece of the fabric. We discuss in other lectures and thank you.